It's the same chips. Fresh on 6 too. Chris. We need some, I do need some more cups. And I need some detergent so I can wash my clothes. Decisions.
I'm so ready to have winter break because they said only 2 weeks of winter. No, 2, 3 weeks. I don't know. 2 weeks, and then we go back on the 10th. So now I get more free time to do stuff. I'm happy that we're going to have Christmas break, and those are the reasons why. No, I didn't even say the reason. 1, I get to play my game. 2, I get to see family. 3, I get to open presents. And 4, we don't have to go to school. And 5, this supports number 4. We don't get to do math, which is the hardest part in this school.
So guys, I got these cupcakes. I'm gonna get me and Christian these. Oh, I like the snowman and the reindeer. You don't like the snowman and the reindeer?
Actually.
Okay, get those. Good morning, family. Today's pajama day. There's the 2. Baby got on his pajamas. It's the last day of school. Y'all know he been waiting on it. Say good morning. I'm tired. My last day was yesterday.
Your last day was yesterday?
Yeah.
Hello guys, so I'm currently in Walmart looking for some hair products. I am going to do a hair treatment on my hair first. But I'm going to the hair store, so I don't even need to be over here. Take that back. I'm going to do my hair today, but I'm going to wash it first. Some toothpaste. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair first, give myself a deep treatment because ooh y'all, it just looks so nasty right now and it's so dry. So I need to check out Walmart's little boy section. They got sweatpants for like cheap. Let's see. These are $6.98. I'm gonna get him a gray pair.
to stuff the boys' stockings with their stocking stuffers. I still have to get G his trolleys and his gift card, which I'm gonna get before he even come out here, but I'm gonna get it. But yeah, he already know he gonna get, well, somewhat. He doesn't know about the gift card. Hopefully he doesn't watch this vlog. If so, Merry Christmas. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna show you guys what I got for the boys. Got Christian a little Spider-Man ball. Y'all know he loves Spider-Man. That's his thing. First he got a little Spider-Man Peasy. I got G some Snicker trees because G loves Snicker bars. That's his favorite. I also got Baby some white chocolate Hershey. He loves that too because he's always eating mine, so clearly he loves it. Y'all know I got Tootie some Takis. Y'all know how Christian feel about Takis. And then I got these for me. I don't know why I just got them. I mean, my stocking's just sitting there. Ain't nobody else gonna feel it, so I'm gonna feel it. And then I got Tootie some batteries because we are opening his gifts as soon as he gets to the house. So there we go. I'm gonna stuff these stockings, guys, and I'm gonna eat my food and I'm gonna wait till Christian get home, and when we get back he'll be opening his gifts. Alright, you guys, so we are back home. Baby is about to open up his gifts. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna do your stocking. Let's do your stocking first, since that's the small part. Oh, I got more stuff now. Come on, sit down. Let me see what you got. Let me see what you got.
Yes.
Oh no, my camera's dying. Hurry up. Hurry up.
I can't get it out. Dang, that's me.
You look so big. Camera's dying. So my camera's dying, so I'm probably gonna have to switch to the phone for some SD. See?
You knew I like the white ones.
Of course, because I'm your mom. I know. Uh-huh.
What is this for?
Your gifts. Some of your gifts.
Another battery.
Yep. And your remote.
I already know this. I knew it.
Exactly. Yeah, you sit up there talking about something. I ain't want that cakes. He had a whole attitude, y'all. Hold on. Give me the little one first. Now we're gonna open that one last. This is the best one. So we're gonna open that one last. Yeah, it's the best one.
Gift number 1. Big gift.
What is it?
Because I know this ain't close.
What is it? What'd you get? What did you get? What'd you get, man? A little guitar?
It's a guitar?
Yeah, it's a little ukulele guitar, yes.
Wait, because I already have the chip.
I know. What's this? You remember the game Bop It?
Bop?
Yep, Spider-Man Bop It.
The...
Bop it, twist it, pull it, yeah.
That's cool.
Which way is it tingling? Why did you start? Bop it. Made a wrong turn. Bop it. Spidey sense wasn't tingling.
You like it? Alright, your next gift.
Why did you start?
Always gotta be Spider.
Well, you like Spider-Man.
I'll stick around.
I think that's Miles Morales.
But they must have.
Come on. What's that? You like it? You didn't even look at it all the way. Man, kids, boy. But you don't even know what. Go ahead. Open it up. Open it up. Time to build it up. All right, so this gift, you need to take care of this gift. This is a very important gift, and you really need to take care of it. Mommy got this for you, and it's for Mommy and G. Me and G got this for you.
It's mine?
Yes, you have your own fire stick now. Yay! See? Now you can stop asking us fires. What do you say? Alright, y'all. So, baby, what do you think about your gifts? You love them? He loves them. We're gonna open up this Spider-Man. I want to see this ukulele thingy.
Try to play.
So, Pootie enjoyed his Christmas. He got some toys, some stuff to build. I want to build some things. Yeah. Can you get me something to open this up with? We're gonna open up his ukulele. My camera died, so it's on the charger right now, looking dumb. Of course, I'm not surprised. So we shall see what this. I'm gonna see what this this little guitar looks like on the inside. 6:15, and we are headed to the airport. Today. We're on the plane. We made it by the grace of God, because I overslept. So. Ready? No? Why?
Alright guys, come on back, not a full flight. Come on back.
So we are in New Orleans. Tootie woke up. He was knocked out. Sick. Chris.
I barely even knew I was.
He was knocked out on this plane. So we are waiting on the next flight. We don't get in. Well, no, we don't leave off the plane at all. We just chill. I think the next flight leaves out. Can't wait to get some seafood. I'm gonna be honest. Get some chicken wings. So y'all, we have made it to Atlanta. Christian back there. I'm tired. I'm not tired. I'm hungry for the most part. They got new little scenery. Come on. They got all these little scenery thingies in here, which is cute. I'm on this little escalator thingy. Not escalator. Well, technically it is an escalator. I get something to eat. I really be trying to make sure I don't fall off that damn thing. And it's Christian up here trying to run on it. You can't do that. Christian over here. They twins. I'm gonna tell your mama that we got the same taste. Cause y'all got the same outfit on. And the boys are playing the PS5. Of course. And this one over here. What you doing? You who? You what? Where? I don't see no baby in there. Where the baby at? Huh? She not in the stroller. She in the other stroller.
I'm charging.
No. My phone is charging right now. My phone is charging right now, so you just gonna have to wait. Yes, y'all, we are here. We made it. Monty got a tree on every corner. Tree. 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 She gonna make sure she decorate. But yes, y'all, we have officially made it. I am tired. I'm about to wash my hair. And this one, all you see is her little self. Where you going? She's so funny. Where you going? I hear your feet. There you go. I hear you. She yapping. My little cousin. Well, y'all, I'm about to probably try to go find me some food. Because we have not ate all day. And wash my hair. What? She gonna run. I see you. Where you go? Kids are easily entertained. Cause I ain't moved now one time and she think I'm chasing her. Go with it, sis. Love it. I see you. Boom. She literally looks just like me when I was a kid. But yeah, y'all, I'm tired. I think this is going to wrap up the vlog. Vlogmas day 22. Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas. You tall. Last time I seen you, you wasn't even talking. You wasn't talking the last time I saw you. Now you talking. Uh-oh, be careful. I don't want to hear your me mouth. But yes, y'all, we're gonna wrap this up. Done traveling for today. I'm about to enjoy my family, try to get me something to eat, see what my friends are doing, go see what they up to. Probably not right now, maybe later, but it is cold. But yeah, you want to get on my vlog? Say hey, vlog. Tell them hey. Hey, y'all. But yes, y'all, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click that like button, click the notification bell, and you can get an update. But we about to, what do you want to do tonight? You want to make some Rice Krispie treats?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna do that, and then what else you want to do? We're gonna make, we can make some pizza. Yeah, okay, cool. We're gonna make our pizza. So I'm going to go see about going to the store, and I'm gonna get some stuff for y'all, and then we're gonna make some food. Cool, cousin. Period. Bye.